Moving to your USD. What would you like to know? I am moving to USD JPY. What can I help you with? Moving to GBP USD. What would you like to know? Loading USD CHF. How may I assist you? I am moving to USD CAD. What can I help you with? I am loading AUD USD for you. What would you like to discuss? Moving to NZD USD. What would you like to know? Loading AUD. What would you like to discuss? Sure, Philip. Based on the available data, it seems that AUD/USD has been trading within a range. Looking at the 1-hour data, the price has been fluctuating between the support level at 0.67585 and the resistance level at 0.67617. Considering this range-bound movement, one potential trading scenario could be entry price 0.67617, breakout above resistance level, take profit 0.67649, first Fibonacci resistance level, stop loss 0.67585, below the support level. However, please note that trading carries risks and it is important to consider your own risk tolerance and trading strategy before making any decisions. It is also recommended to use additional technical indicators or confirmations to support your analysis. Let me know if you have any further questions or if there's anything else I can assist you with. Ready to return to your USD. Just let me know what would you like to discuss. Of course, Philip. Based on the provided data, here is a potential trading scenario for your USD. 1. Analysis of the 5-minute chart. Recent price movements show a ranging market with a slight bullish bias. RSI is hovering around the midpoint, indicating a balanced market sentiment. The price is currently trading above the 50-period moving average, MA, which suggests potential bullish momentum. 2. Analysis of the 1-hour chart. The price is trading above the 200-period MA, indicating a long-term bullish trend. RSI is in the overbought zone, indicating a potential weakening of bullish momentum. The current price is near the pivot point, PP, level, indicating a potential reversal zone. Considering the analysis, here is a potential trading scenario. 1. Entry. Wait for a confirmed break above the resistance level at 1.10891 on the 5-minute chart, with a strong bullish candle closing above it. 2. Take profit. Consider taking profits at the nearest Fibonacci resistance level, which is the R1 level at 1.10939 on the 1-hour chart. 3. Stop loss. Set a stop loss order below the pivot point, PP, at 1.10892 or below the support level S1 at 1.10845, depending on your risk tolerance. Important note: Please keep in mind that market conditions are subject to change, and it's essential to monitor price action, news events, and any potential market catalysts that may impact the trade. Remember to analyze the market thoroughly, consider your risk management strategy, and make a decision based on your own trading plan and risk tolerance. Changing back to GBP USD. How can I assist you? Of course, Philip. Based on the 5-minute and 1-hour data, here is a potential trading scenario for GBP USD. Scenario: bullish breakout entry price. If the price breaks above the resistance level at 1.29460, you may consider entering a long trade. Take profit. As for the take profit level, you could consider targeting the next resistance level at 1.29544, which is the R3 Fibonacci level. Stop loss. To manage your risk, you might consider placing a stop loss below the support level at 1.29408, which is the S2 Fibonacci level. Please keep in mind that this is not financial advice, but a potential trading scenario based on the provided data. It's important to conduct your own analysis and use proper risk management techniques before making any trading decisions. Moving back to USD CAD. What can I tell you about it? Sure, Philip. Based on the 1-hour data for USD CAD, here's a possible trading scenario. Currently, USD CAD is trading near the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, indicating potential overbought conditions. The RSI is showing a reading of around 52.74, which suggests neutral momentum. The moving averages, MA50 and MA200, are both above the current price, indicating a bullish trend. The MACD and signal lines are converging, suggesting a potential reversal or consolidation. Considering all these factors, there is a possibility of a short-term retracement or consolidation in USD CAD. As for the trading scenario, I would suggest the following. 1. Entry price. Wait for a confirmation of a bearish reversal candlestick pattern, such as a shooting star or bearish engulfing, near the resistance level around 1.32078. This would signal a potential reversal in price. 2. Take profit level. Place your take profit order at the nearest Fibonacci level, which is 1.31966, S2. This level could act as a support if price moves lower. 3. Stop loss level. Set your stop loss order above the recent swing high or resistance level, potentially around 1.32147, R3. This would help limit potential losses if the trade does not go as planned. Remember, this is just a trading scenario based on the current market data and trends. It's always important to do your own analysis and consider your risk tolerance before making any trading decisions. Also, keep an eye on any incoming news or economic events that may impact the USD-CAD pair. Let me know if you... Changing back to USD-CHF. How can I assist you? Sure, Philip. Based on the 1-hour data for USD-CHF, here is a potential trading scenario for you. Looking at the recent price action, it appears that USD CHF has been trading in a relatively tight range. The current price is around 0.86055. Considering the Fibonacci levels, the immediate support level is at 0.85981, S1, and the immediate resistance level is at 0.86057, R1. These levels can be used to identify potential entry and exit points. Given the range-bound nature of the market and the proximity to the resistance level, it may be a good idea to wait for a breakout above 0.86057, R1, before considering a long position. A breakout above this level could indicate bullish momentum and potentially push the price higher. For a trading scenario, you could consider the following. Entry. Place a long trade if the price breaks and closes above 0.86057, R1. Take profit. Consider taking profit around the next Fibonacci resistance level, which is at 0.86080, R2. Stop loss. Set a stop loss below the nearest Fibonacci support level, which is at 0.85981, S1, to manage risk. It's important to note that this is just a scenario and the market may not necessarily follow this exact pattern. Always use proper risk management techniques and consider market conditions before entering any trades. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with. Moving back to USD JPY. What can I tell you about it? Of course, Philip. Based on the current data for USD JPY, here is a potential trading scenario. The price of USD JPY has been fluctuating within a consolidation range. The RSI indicator is indicating a neutral sentiment, and the moving averages, MA50 and MA200, are relatively close together, suggesting a lack of clear direction. Considering the current price action, a range trading strategy could be appropriate. Entry. Since the price is currently near the middle of the range, a potential entry point could be around 140.260. Take profit. One possible take profit level could be around the upper Fibonacci level of 140.222. However, since the market is in a consolidation phase, it's important to closely monitor the price action and consider taking profit at shorter-term resistance levels as well. Stop loss. To manage risk, a potential stop loss level could be placed below the lower Fibonacci level of 140.185. However, it's important to regularly reassess the trade and adjust the stop loss level as needed based on the price action. Please remember that this is just a hypothetical scenario and not financial advice. It's crucial to conduct your own analysis and consider other factors before making any trading decisions. Returning to NZD/USD. What would you like to discuss? Hello, Philip. Based on the data provided, it appears that the NZD/USD pair has been trading within a range. The recent 1-hour candle closed around 0.62076, which is close to the pivot point, PP, of 0.62094. Considering the range-bound nature of the market, a possible trading scenario could be to wait for a breakout above the R1 level at 0.62117 before considering a long position. If the price breaks above that level, it may indicate a potential upward momentum. For a long trade, you could enter the position around the breakout level of 0.62117. As for the take profit level, you might consider targeting the R2 level at 0.62130, which is the next resistance level. For the stop loss level, you could place it below the breakout level, perhaps around 0.62094 or even below the S1 level at 0.62071. Keep in mind that this is just a trading scenario based on the data provided, and it's always important to analyze the market conditions and use proper risk management techniques before making any trading decisions. Returning to USD, what would you like to discuss? Of course, Philip. Based on the data you provided, let's analyze the AUD-USD pair and create a potential trading scenario. Looking at the 5-minute data, the market seems to be ranging within a certain price range. The RSI indicator is around 46.43, indicating a neutral sentiment. The MA50 is at 0.67598, and the MA200 is at 0.67564, suggesting a slightly bearish bias. The MACD and signal line are both negative, indicating a potential downward momentum. Now, let's move to the 1-hour data for a bigger picture. The market is currently trading around the pivot point, PP, at 0.67574. The R1 level is at 0.67606 and the S1 level is at 0.67542. These levels could be potential levels of resistance and support, respectively. Considering the overall bearish bias shown by the longer-term data, along with the neutral sentiment in the short-term data, a possible trading scenario could be to look for a short position if the price breaks below the S1 level at 0.67542. You could set your entry price around that level. As for take profit and stop loss levels, you could consider the Fibonacci levels provided. For the take profit level, you could aim for the S2 level at 0.67521. This level has historically acted as a strong support level. For the stop loss level, you could place it above the R1 level at 0.67606, allowing for some potential price fluctuations. It's important to remember that this is just a potential scenario based on the data you provided, and it's always recommended to conduct. Switching to your USD. What would you like to know about this asset now? Of course, Philip. Based on the latest data, the EUR-USD pair is currently trading around 1.10869 on the 5-minute chart and around 1.10869 on the 1-hour chart. Taking into account the Fibonacci levels, we can see that the main pivot point, PP, is at 1.10837, while the first resistance level, R1, is at 1.10876 and the first support level, S1, is at 1.10798. Given the recent price action and the fact that the RSI on the 5-minute chart is at 52.41, indicating a neutral sentiment, it would be best to wait for further confirmation before entering a trade. If you are considering a long position, it would be prudent to wait for the price to break above the R1 level at 1.10876. In this case, you could set your take profit level at the next Fibonacci resistance level, which is R2 at 1.10901. For the stop loss, you could consider placing it below the pivot point, PP, at 1.10837. On the other hand, if you are thinking of a short position, it would be necessary for the price to break below the S1 level at 1.10798. In this scenario, you could set your take profit level at the next Fibonacci support level, which is S2 at 1.10773. Again, you could consider placing your stop loss above the pivot point, PP, at 1.10837. Remember, It is crucial to analyze the market carefully and adapt your strategy based on your risk tolerance and trading goals. Please ensure to conduct your own analysis and consider other technical or fundamental factors before making any trading decisions. Please let me know if you have any more questions or if there's anything else I can assist you with. You're welcome, Philip. I'm glad I could assist you today. I'll be here to support you whenever you need help with your trading. Have a great day, and I look forward to connecting with you again tomorrow for the live stream. Take care and happy trading.